According to Newsbites, parrots are widely regarded as one of the most beloved and popular pets. Not only they are colorful and gorgeous, but are also intelligent, sociable, and long-lived creatures. Parrots learn well and they learn fast. If you haven't witnessed it, know that parrots are one of the most intelligent birds out there. They are capable of associating words with objects and situations and can even use tools and solve problems. Some scientists argue that they have an IQ equivalent to that of a 4-year-old. These birds are also quite playful.